So why the bottom first? Why not the middle? Why not the top? Think about what an entry-level job actually was. Summarizing documents, writing first drafts, maybe cleaning up spreadsheets, basic research, answering phones, pulling together data for someone more senior. Now look at that list again. That's exactly the list of things that AI does well today, right now. The grunt work, the repetitive stuff. Now here's the part that should make you sit up. That grunt work wasn't pointless. That grunt work was the learning. That's how you learned to absorb how the industry actually works. You did this kind of boring work for 2 years, and over that time, you built up the judgment that would later make you so valuable. The Stanford researchers had a name for these young workers, canaries in the coal mine. And their explanation for why is the key to this whole thing. AI is good at replacing the book learning, the stuff you got from school. It's bad at replacing judgment that comes from years of actually doing the work. That's the whole story. The beginner runs on book learning. The veteran runs on judgment. So the beginner is exactly who got automated first. So when a company automates the grunt work, they're not just automating a task, they're automating the on-ramp. They're removing the exact rung that you climb to become the experienced person. And you can see this in the job listings themselves, which is almost funny if it weren't your life. Entry-level postings routinely ask for 2 to 3 years of experience. Think about that. Entry level, 2 to 3 years of experience. You need the job to get the experience, and you need the experience to get the job. Meanwhile, senior people are mostly fine because the judgment they spent 15 years building isn't automatable yet. It's specifically the unproven beginner that loses the buffer. The person who hasn't even had a chance to prove anything yet, which, if you're watching this, might be you.